Good day everyone. This is Engineer Armando Omanito and our topic for today is factoring. And also, again, we have a somewhat different equation, quadratic equation. So we are given x squared minus 18xy plus 17y squared. So usually, we have only either variable x or y or other variables, and then the last term is constant. Okay, so here we have two variables, but just the same, this is a quadratic equation. So this time we will use quadratic formula. So our general quadratic equation is ax squared plus bx plus c, and our quadratic formula is equal to negative b plus or minus square root of b squared minus 4ac all over 2a. So, for convenience, we will assume that y squared is equal to 1 squared or y is equal to 1. So, we will now substitute all the coefficient of the variables. So, we have here a, negative b or negative, and our b is negative 18, so negative quantity negative 18 plus or minus square root of b squared, so quantity negative 18 quantity squared minus 4, a is equal to 1, so there is no coefficient, understood the coefficient is 1, and then c is equal to 17. So remember that we assume that y squared is equal to 1, and then all over 2, a is equal to again 1. So let us simplify a little. So x is equal to negative times negative is positive. So positive 18 or 18 plus or minus square root of, so negative 18 quantity negative 18 squared is equal to 324, and then 4 times 1 times 17 is equal to 68. All over 2 times 1 is equal to 2. So we have here 18 plus or minus square root of, so 324 minus 68 is equal to 256. So all over 2. So x is now equal to 18 plus or minus square root of 256 is equal to 16 all over 2. So first we have x is equal to 18 plus 16 over 2. So 18 plus 16 is 34 over 2 is equal to 17. And then we have x is equal to 18 minus 16 over 2. So 18 minus 16 is equal to 2. 2 over 2 is equal to 1. So therefore, x is equal to 17 or x minus 17 is equal to 0. So we transpose 17 to the left side, so this that 17 will become negative 17. So x and also x is equal to 1, and transpose 1 on the left side, that will be x minus 1 is equal to 0. So now the factors of x squared minus 18xy plus 17y squared is equal to, so x minus 17, but we have already assumed before that y squared or y is equal to 1. So we have to multiply 17 and y. So we have now x minus 17y multiplied by quantity x minus x minus 1, or x 1 times y is negative y, or negative 1 times y is negative y. So x minus y. So you can check if your answer is correct if you will multiply these two factors and see if you will arrive at the original equation here. Also, solve this problem using completing the square and trial and error. So that's all for today, and I hope that you learn something in our lesson. This is Engineer Armando Omanito. Until next time, and may God bless us all.